Welcome to Mozart Music, a platform where we make the music always break down my lyrics if I can hear them and understand them. We give positive feedback, we encourage others, we give positive feedback. Basically, we post non-toxic Zion content. But Zalwane, listen, it's cornable. Ne, kere, wakonahala, ne, wakonahala. Sihlile. As I'm currently shooting this, I'm sitting on 490 subscribers. That is like it wakonahala, 490. I still cannot believe I'm 10 subscribers away from 500. Like, my God. So today we are reacting to Ugu Eguphiweni Church in Zion STEZ Themba Lento Yonke Themba Lendalo Yonke Themba Lento yo zange ngibhaste kanti so without wasting you guys time, let's dive right into it. Hey, y'all started singing from outside. Wakhona hala. Yona makhonza Zion. Wakhona hala. What do you mean, bro? Like, these people are outside. Dog, abakangeni phakathi, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys on the high pitch, mfethu. Sorry, bazalwane. Sorry. Excitement. Guys on the high pitch. This high pitch is gonna take over Zion like crazy, bro. Like the way the high pitch is being normalized now is amazing, bro. Like it is amazing because as a kid I used to hear it like all the time, But benga on music, growing up being as maybe I would say somewhere around 2015, 16, it started becoming a norm, kakulu. You understand? Because now, if I look at Nezinyi Ngoma in some churches, Nyabon, like around 2016, 17, it was just becoming a thing now. But Yabon high pitch, it needs someone who can actually sing. Because, Listen. I won! Is she singing it by herself? Sizwe angasizwe nakekela something yokuphila. That part and the way they drag it ntwana bayibamba so ukabona umuntu nomeka izandla nkosi yami. Ekphiweni Church, is it the first time reacting to you guys? If so, I am so sorry. Ngiyaxolisa bazalwane. Aw brethren. Kuyakhonakala bafethu. It's cornable. Ay! Akhonala. Yo bazalwane, ay mina impilo yami inzima shem. Ay, mina my life is hard, difficult. No reason. Manje ngibole nini manje? So I hope I heard that right. Sizonakekelwa thina themba leyo ndawo yonke. If that's what I'm hearing, if it's wrong, I'll probably hear it clear as the video goes on. If not, of course, Nasba if you type in below. So it says we will get taken care of. Trust that entire place or trust that entire existence. But trust what already exists there, that it will take care of us. Ah, you see, this one was just straightforward. Ekuphethu yeah. Nini na album. I think I could like go back and like really like try and like react to like old Zion songs, bro. I think I should. Because like I said, I was supposed to react. I'm great. I think because I was supposed to like react to an album, but because I got worked out so much this week, I couldn't. But that does not mean it's not gonna happen. Just know good. I think uzoqala ngayo Monday. Monday siyakuyo. I have to drop that full album reaction, bro. Okay, you see, like I said, I was like, yo, bro, even when the more I listen to the song, I will get what they're saying. It also, I don't know if it also say or it's been saying that. It's saying, Sizobalekela, Sizobalekela Gupina. Yeah, Sizobalekela Gupina. That's what. Sizobalekela Pina. Where are we going to run to? Hmm. Sorry, I haven't reacted. I have to react to more to this. Look at this, bro. And brother, so audible. But the fact to go to uyayizwa high pitch which is becoming a first part. Uyayizwa back. Leader is loud and clear. Itena, bro. Itena ayigwinyekanga. I-alto has been consistent basasengaphandle. I-bass, it's bro. See, this is what I call compacting. This is what I call being there. This is what I call consistency. This is what I call fantastic. This is amazing. What? Bruh, even the video is not complete. Even the video is not complete. Please, whoever on a part 2, let's post it. No, we need the whole we need the whole thing. The whole thing. We need it, bro. Like, ooh, bazalwane. I don't think I've reacted to this church before. I don't know. I don't think I have, and I feel so bad because they sound so good. Yo, Nabazalwane, I don't have a lot to say, but all I can say is, njani, njani, hey, njani, bro, njani. How do you put together something like this, bro? That is why I always say, yabona umuntu olida ichoir anywhere has a different is a different set of breed. Those people are not normal. Hey, Bazalwane, mina I'm signing out. So, yo, my favorite of Jupiter.